Have you ever been traveling abroad and wished you had a way to manage your money easily? Or maybe you're looking for a convenient way to send money to friends and family overseas. If so, you may be interested in using Revolut. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a range of financial services, including a prepaid debit card, currency exchange, and international transfers. But can you access Revolut online? The answer is yes. In fact, Revolut is designed to be used online, making it a great option for people who are always on the go. What is Revolut? Revolut is a fintech company that offers a range of financial services, including a prepaid debit card, currency exchange, and international transfers. Revolut is available in over 35 countries and has over 10 million customers worldwide. How to access Revolut online? There are two ways to access Revolut online. Use the Revolut app. The Revolut app is available for free on iOS and Android devices. Once you've downloaded the app, you can create an account and start using Revolut. Use the Revolut website. You can also access Revolut online through the company's website. Simply go to the Revolut website and click on the Sign Up button. What can you do with Revolut online? Once you have access to Revolut online, you can do a number of things, including check your balance. You can see your current balance and transaction history at any time. Send and receive money. You can send money to friends and family, both domestically and internationally. Exchange currency. You can exchange currency at competitive rates. Set up travel notifications. You can receive notifications when your currency exchange rate changes or when you make a transaction in a foreign currency. Manage your card. You can control your card settings, such as setting spending limits and blocking your card. Benefits of using Revolut online. There are a number of benefits to using Revolut online, including convenience. You can access Revolut from anywhere in the world, at any time. Security. Revolut uses a number of security measures to protect your account, such as two-factor authentication and encryption. Cost effectiveness. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates and low fees. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage your money, Revolut is a great option. You can access Revolut online from anywhere in the world, at any time. With Revolut, you can send and receive money, exchange currency, and manage your card settings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.